Taking a look at your weather headlines as we head into the end of the work week and also into your upcoming weekend. That sunshine that we've been having all week is going to be sticking around as we head into the next 2 to 3 days. Temperatures will also be staying right where they should be this time of year in the low to mid 50s. Unfortunately, Sunday that is looking like a very rainy day as our next weather maker arrives in our area, bringing around a lot of rain and also some windy conditions as well. Thankfully, as we head into next week, sunshine will be returning to our area. Out the door tomorrow morning, a very chilly start out to your Thursday to say the least. Temperatures are going to be in the low to mid 30s across the PD and on the border belt, upper 30s to around 40 right along the coastline. Thankfully, a lot of sunshine will be around. A very cold morning to say the least, with temperatures only in the mid to upper 30s, with your winds out of the northeast at about 5 to 15 miles per hour. Heading into the second half of your day, look for high temperatures to top out in the low to mid 50s lower 50s across the PD and on the border belt, low to mid 30s right along the coastline. Aside from a few clouds out there, it will be a beautiful day to say the least. A little breezy with winds out of the northeast at about 10 to 15 miles per hour, possible gusts as high as 25 miles per hour, but overall a very nice day to say the least. And then into your Friday, the end of the work week, really 56 degrees everywhere you look across our area, and I'm not really forecasting any clouds as we head into your Friday. A beautiful day to end up the work week. Still a little chilly with temperatures in the 50s, but overall very nice with your winds out of the northeast at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Heading into your upcoming Sunday, this will be likely the rainiest day we've seen in a very long time, as a brand new area of low pressure will be likely forming in the Gulf of Mexico and heading somewhere right over the southeastern United States and bringing around a lot of rain and a lot of wind as well. Now, as far as where exactly this thing goes, that is yet to be determined, because our GFS, or the American model, shows this thing going right over the central part of Georgia, right over the central part of South Carolina, and into North Carolina as well. And if this does happen, with that area of low pressure being right over us, that will bring us the most rain and also the most wind possible, because as that area of low pressure strengthens, we see our weather get worse. However, the other model, the European model, has this thing staying just offshore, if not right along the coastline. So if this happens, the highest rain totals will likely be right along the coastline, if not just off the coastline. So obviously, two different models showing us two different things. Hopefully, as we head over the next several days, we will have a better idea of where this thing will be going. But just plan on Sunday being a very rainy and also windy day, to say the least. And here's a look at your weekend forecast. As we head into your Saturday, a very nice day overall, with temperatures topping out in the lower 60s, with a mix of sunshine and clouds, mild temperatures, with your winds out of the northwest at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. Overnight on Saturday, temperatures falling into the lower 50s right along the coastline. Temperatures falling into the mid 40s as you head further inland. Definitely a lot of clouds out there, to say the least. We can't rely on an isolated shower, but we should be staying dry when it comes to rainfall, with your winds on the uptick going up to the northeast at about 15 to 25 miles per hour. And Sunday looks to be a very rainy and yucky day. Temperatures mild in the lower 60s, a lot of rain out there, and also some windy conditions as well, with your winds out of the east at about 25 to 35 miles per hour, with potential gusts upwards of 40 miles per hour. And be sure to stay tuned to your house hunting forecast, probably sponsored by Miss Vicki Durkin and Remax Southern Shores, coming to you this upcoming Friday. Here's a look at your extended 10-day forecast, proudly brought to you by Hunter Plumbing Services. And the weather is really going to be very, very nice as we head over the next several days, with lots of sunshine in that forecast for your Thursday, Friday, and your Saturday. Our best chance of rain will definitely be on Sunday, with a 60% chance of rain. Winds potentially gusting as high as 40 miles per hour as we head into your Sunday. Thankfully, lots of sunshine will be returning as we head into next week. Overnight lows will be falling into the 30s over the next 2 days, warming up into the lower 50s for this upcoming weekend. And here's a look at your forecast as you head further inland. Lots of sunshine for your Thursday, Friday, and your Saturday. Best chance of rain coming on Sunday, along with wind gusts potentially as high as 30, if not 40 miles per hour. Thankfully, lots of sunshine will be returning as we head into the upcoming work week. Temperatures in the 50s over the next 2 days, warming up into the 60s as we head into this weekend. Overnight lows very, very cold tomorrow night, dropping down into the mid 20s, going down into the lower 30s for your Friday, and then gradually warming back up into the mid to upper 40s as we head into your upcoming weekend. Keep it here, Leams Weather, for all the latest information, and I hope you all have an amazing Thursday.